everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a timer. This is so cool. First thing I love about it is it comes with batteries. So it comes with 3 batteries. I put those in. Let's talk about the back since we're back here. You can adjust the volume and you can adjust the screen brightness back here. Back of the timer itself has these little non-slippies on it, so you can set it down, it's not going to go anywhere. Thing I love the most, it is a magnet. So you can keep this on your fridge or on your stove, teachers, on your whiteboards or blackboards, so that you always have this handy. I love this for the kitchen because this has like a texture to it. So it'd be really nice if your hands get dirty when you're in the kitchen. We have so many options with this timer. You can either do countdown or count up. So to turn it on, you're going to press with one button. Beautiful screen. I love how big it is. To start the count up timer, you're just going to press and it is going to start counting up. So that's great. To turn it off, you touch and you're finished. You can also set the timer by touching the number. So I can set it for 5, 15, or 25, or I can slide the dial and adjust it there. So I'm going to set this for 5 minutes, start, and then I am going to heat up my lunch. This timer is super convenient, perfect for the kitchen. This would also be great for you teachers out there. Check it out, I'm loving it.